Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my MarkTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show an interesting concept of Make, which is called Switch. Make, as you know, formerly known as Integromat, is a no-code automation platform, and which has the style inbuilt functions, which helps you to manage different kinds of business cases efficiently. And one such function you need to know is switch function, which helps you to branch out depending on the customer's preference. Say, let me show you the business case so that you can understand very easily. Say you have a form where the customer is going to choose a different product he is interested in, and if at all he is not interested in any of this product, he can mark that requirement in a separate text box. And as soon as the customer submits this form, or like say you have a sales funnel and you show all these products and let the customers to buy this product, and you have to set different set of invoices depending on the product the customer has chosen, right? Say I have four products, four different subscription packages like WordPress subscription, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and Google ads. And if the customer has chosen a particular product, you have set a pricing for each of the subscription, and it has to fill that pricing in the invoice, and then the customer to the customer email, the invoice has to be sent. You might think of a platform like Xero or any other invoicing platform, Zoho Invoice, or any other platform you are comfortable with. And if at all the customer is not specifically want any of these products and you want something all in a combined package, he can just specify it in the other section. But how will you handle this with the help of the Make? That is where the switch function comes into play. Say as you can just let's test it. testmake@gmail.com, and product is Google Ads, and submit. Okay, this is what the customer is submitting. And see, I have constructed a scenario which I will show you each part separately, just to help you to understand the business case. I'm showing the completed scenario. Say this webhook captures this thing, and as soon as it captures it, then as soon as the form is submitted, the data is captured in the Make through the webhook, and the customer has chosen the product called Google, and it throws the output as $799 because we have set in that way. And then there is a router which checks for the conditions, like if the else condition is true or false, and if the else condition doesn't exist, it sets the variable as invoice amount variable as $799. These are all happening just because I have set a complete switch function within the Make. Just for that, to set the switch function, you have to just click add, or like you just go to tools and search for switch, and then you can just select the add item. You can just select the key and you can just give the value here. These are just because I'm deleting this. I will show you the input product is value. That is the input criteria which is going to match. Here the customer has just passed Google. If the Google is passed, then I'm saying the Make switch function to send $799. You could relate to a JSON or like a dictionary encoding. This is I have set up with the Python. Like you can just see, this is what the initial cases say. If at all I'm executing this code, we have a dictionary called ABC, and it has four items, and each item has a key and value, and the key is WordPress here and value is $199. Same goes for Facebook and $499. And as soon as I can call that particular item item with the key itself, just by referring to this like this. ABC is the dictionary name and of WordPress, that is the output. If I am executing this, it will throw the output of 199, just because against WordPress we have mapped 199. But what if at all I am showing a non-existing field which is not present in any key, which doesn't match any of the keys present in this dictionary, it will throw all in one, just because it has tried through that, but it just runs into an exception and it results in all in one. This is the same case Make is offering us, without but without the code. All you have to do is you are setting the variable match, which variable we have to match at the top itself. The product is the matching variable here, and against which it has to match 4 components. If it doesn't match any of these components, you are setting the value here as 999. Then I'm routing it, and it checks for a filter. If the else exists, then it will go to here. Let's test that scenario. Let's remove this one and custom package. All in one. We are sending another request which imitates the product which is not existing, or like it's not matching any of those values. And let's see the scenario run details, and now you can see the scenario has turned into the else exist. It checks for the values which is not present, and just because it's not matching any of these values, any of these collections like WordPress, Facebook, YouTube, Google, it has chosen the else, the value which you have set with the else. And just because the else exists, it goes into a different variable, and then you can connect to a different invoicing platform for the different invoice templates. Sorry. And this way you can not just whether it's else exists or not, you can branch out depending on the product the customer has chosen. Also, if at all you have customized the invoice template to shoot your particular product, this way you can use the switch function effectively. And interesting thing is, like, you can also use the switch function as a function, also as a text function. Also here also you can use. You have to just set the same kind of conditions, and then it will result if the input variable matches any of these conditions like this. If the input variable is B, and it will check whether these are like the available JSON they have constructed. A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3, and it outputs to which matches the incoming variable B, and it outputs as 2. This is the but this visual switch tool would be much more effective. So you can easily troubleshoot or like visualize the how it works. Hope I have explained the switch function in detail. Let me know in case if you have any query with related to that. I will have in the comment section. I'll happy to answer that. I have made a video separately on the filter part also, that you can check those videos in the playlist. A filter is exactly like we have set for this router to this module. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks. Bye.